It's very exciting. Hello, everyone. So, WestCreek number 2. I'm very excited about this one. I had it I think it sold out for a while. And then, so I had given up. I was not, I wanted a certain color, and it appeared to have been sold out. I wasn't happy with what was left or what they came up with for colors after that. But evidently, it sold so incredibly well in this color, they made some more of them. The Axe unboxing axe. Very excited. Very excited. Very excited. Cat is too very excited. Let's take a moment to focus on the cat. The cat does not get enough attention. Cat is very concerned about its attention level. So, appears to be all right now. Okay, we'll continue. Is the cat okay? Has the cat had enough attention? Shall we focus on the cat some more? Oh, I think he's after a bug. All right, we can. All right. I like, yeah, just 2 strips of tape. And not a whole lot of spike axe. That doesn't sound right. Anyway, has a name. It's not spike. What is it? Well, maybe it is a spike. Nah, it just doesn't sound right. And you may have noticed this is a little bit wider than your average guitar from WestCreek box. A little wider. What could that mean? Well, it could mean two things. It could mean wild shape or hollow body. So I ordered a whole bunch of parts for a parts caster too. Wondering if I should keep this box to throw all the parts in. Oh yeah, doesn't appear to be broken or damaged. And another instrument cable and truss rod wrench. I don't call them guitar cables. I call them instrument cables because I don't actually use them for guitar cables. They look just like an instrument cable, just for plugging your doodads together with. Yeah. Look at that. They even made a specially shaped one for this. Oh, this is very exciting. I haven't gotten a seriously defective one yet, though. Could be due. Hope it's not on this one. Could be due. I don't think from this company I'm going to have to worry about defects, but Ooh, they're doing a nicer job of that. Either they do a nicer job of evening out the fret ends on this model, or they're just doing a better job now. Man, that's something. That. Been a lot of unboxings on this guitar already. Oh man, that's just, it's got a scent to it. Yeah, that's a little, well, no, it's not perfect either. That's the only thing you can really whine about with these WestCreeks is the rolled fret ends are a lot of times not exactly even. That's pretty darn good on this one. It's a little bit, it's like it's a little bit closer to the edge on the one side, but the poly's like thick on this side. That's weird. It's got like super thick poly. Otherwise, they'd be the same. It feels fantastic, but the poly is really thick on one side of the neck, which actually kind of evens out the whole fret thing, but it's kind of an odd way to go about it. Dark purple back. Explorer style. Try not to hit the ceiling with it. And I'm hoping these, I think they do a little bit better job than that Leo James I got of, this is a little better quality bridge, I think. A little bit. We'll find out when we go to intonate it. Isn't that pretty? 90% of the reason why I wanted one of these is the color of this one. I'd say it looks pink on the camera, but it's really just light to dark purple, translucent, or translucent to opaque. Boy, does that look, yeah, on the camera it looks really pink, which is nice also. Single banded. Not super fancy, but, and the WestCreeks have the full-size pots, but there's no split. So they're probably 5K pots. Be interested to know. They're 5Ks. In the research for doing my parts caster, yeah, single pickups are 250K. Humbuckers and P90s should be 500K pots. And this doesn't have, what do you call it? Splitting, pickup splitting, which usually there's like a pull knob or something to where you can turn your humbuckers into. This does not have that, which I'm okay with that. I've got plenty of guitars that are single. So yeah, I think the China strings, I haven't had trouble with the China strings on my other WestCreek yet, so we'll see how these go. Yeah. Oh, it's got pretty thick poly on both sides. I mean, not only is the neck banded, but there's almost a 32nd of an inch of poly on top of the banding, which makes this neck feel a little bit nicer than my double cut. So double cut wasn't, I mean, you could feel I mean, they're rounded, but you could really feel the ends of them up and down the neck, whereas this one, the neck's a little bit thicker, even nicer. Yeah, they do a pretty good job with their headstocks. Their unsuable headstock. That's kind of, yeah, I don't even know what you would say. A little bit of everything going on there, but not goofy looking. The knobs are nice and glidey. Real good feel to them. Switch is a little floppy, but who cares as long as it works, I guess. Front pickup's low. Back pickup's not terrible. Maybe might have to move it up a little. And that's personal preference, right? Put a light up by the nice little round hat tuners. They're like teeny ones. They've got like smaller for clearance, I guess. Huh. They're like the shape of the larger ones, like on a Gibson, but they're small like the little Fender ones. I got kind of the Les Paul style, or my Epiphone Les Paul has one shape like that, but they're larger. Same with the Leo James, it's got the larger ones like that. She's a beauty. Does break the 200 mark a little bit, I think. I can't remember exactly. Like 220, 219 maybe. All right. Oh, it's already got a ding. Oh. And later, WestCreek Revenge.